And now that's a spicy meatball. Mmm. Okay, okay, you're gonna eat your dinner. Stop eating mine. Pig. Just kidding. I love you. That's a big bite. Open up. Open up. Mm. Mm. I want more bread. Boo. I guess I'll eat the meatball. Mmm. It turned out way better the next day. I don't know what had happened, but spaghetti sauce always tastes better the next day, don't you think? Mmm. This is the smaller of the two containers. It still has a lot in it. Leftovers. I didn't really eat much of it when I first made it. I didn't really like it that much. It tastes way better today. Actually, it's been like a few days since I made it. Even the meatballs are less mushy. I don't like mushy meatballs. Who does? Not my favorite. I tried mixing up, but not my favorite. Kind of bland. Spritz up. Oh, hiccups. have to listen to that much longer.